What's up you guys, Jose here. In today's video we're gonna be doing a quick car wash and restoring my headlights. See how it looks pretty bad? This is what this is for. So it's really simple, it's 3 easy steps. So step 1, mask, clean. Look, so right away you can tell the oxidation is being removed. I'm not gonna do the other one yet, just because I don't want it hey, what are you doing? I'm talking to the camera. Just so that the sticky residue doesn't stick onto the paint. Step 2 is sand. So we have to use the 1000 grit sand pad first. So we're gonna keep the surface damp and sand until all the yellow goes away. Then we're gonna proceed with the 2000 grit. So we'll wet it. And then we're gonna finish with the 3000 grit. Put the coating and then done. That's simple. So here's the white. And then 50% or overlapping. And rotate it. Oh, that's a strong scent. Another 50%. Cheers, bro. This looks crazy good. And flip it. Damn, that thing's good. This is what it looked like before. And then this is what the kit.